Hey everyone. So today I have here two Craftsman branded padlocks. And this one I've actually had for over 10 years, man. Probably 12 or 13 years now. And actually used it on the job plenty of times. I used to carry this with me everywhere. I had another one that was a 40 millimeter variant of this same lock, and unfortunately I haven't been able to find it for a very long time. I think I have the keys to it, but I can't find the lock. And then this little guy I purchased on eBay not too long ago, and it was kind of funny because the image was a close-up, so I thought it was a lot bigger, but then when I got it, it was just this little guy. And I like it though, it's a pretty neat lock, it's a fun pick. It's actually not the easiest thing in the world. I think it's only 3 pins if I remember correctly. So, Craftsman for a long time was just rebranding Abus padlocks when Abus wasn't really available in the US. And they were very high quality locks. I don't think I've ever seen an Abus with this keyway. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is like the Master 140 keyway. But there is no way this is a rebranded Master lock because of what's inside it and the way it picks, and also the key. It doesn't look like a Master lock to me. This little guy, I'm not sure what he is. If anybody's got any information on these, I would greatly appreciate it. I like all these Craftsman locks. I've used Craftsman tools for years, and actually have another one of these, well not this one, but another Craftsman padlock on the way in the mail right now. And I'd really like to start collecting these things. They're really nice locks. But let's go ahead and try to get these things picked. So this little guy here, let's see, he is, I think the pins just kind of lock up. Yep. Yeah, the pins, they just lock up in there and you gotta reset. It's not the easiest pick. But then when you get it just right, they'll set and it'll open. There we go. Man, look at that. That thing hasn't been opened in a long time. Alright, let's try to get this other guy open. Now this one is actually one of the first locks that I ever picked that had security pins in it. And it was when I was first getting into lock picking. I had this, and I had to learn how to pick spool pins to get this thing open. And they are not easy. This was not an easy lock to learn how to pick spools on because the spools don't give you counter rotation themselves. You actually have to use the spring tension to counter rotate the core, and you have to counter rotate it pretty far before the spools even start to give you any feedback. So it's not an easy pick. I'm hoping I can get it open in a reasonable amount of time here for you. So, one, alright, drop into a false set. There's some counter rotation on 2. 3 popped up there a little. Let's see, using out of 4. A little bit. And 5 is a super deep cut. Come on. Alright, what's holding me here? Let's do that again. Get a different angle on this thing. Come on now. I think I was missing 3 before. There it is. All right. Man, that thing's tough. They make a good lock though. Well, they don't make, they pick good locks and they put their name on them. But there you are, all. Couple of Craftsman padlocks. Take care, everyone.